Sairam children, welcome back to our maths class. We will continue with division. Get ready with your maths book, notebook and pencil box. In chapter 6 division, we have finished divide equally, division as repeated subtraction, relation between multiplication and division, long division method, concepts of remainder, and today we will be doing word problems in division. So, in your earlier lessons, in addition, subtraction and multiplication, we have done word problems. So, today we will do word problems in division. Now just have a look. To indicate division, following words can be used. You can see here the symbol of division. Share something equally. How many in each part? How many times? Now I will explain you with this example. Okay? Harpreet has 20 chocolates. She wishes to give equal number of chocolates to 5 of her friends. How many chocolates will each friend get? Now, how many chocolates Harpreet is having? 20 chocolates. And she wants to give equal number of chocolates to how many of her friends? 5 of her friends. Now, what you have to find out? How many chocolates will each friend get? So, 20 divided by 5. 20 is the dividend. 5 is the divisor. Say the tables of 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. 5 threes are 15. 5 fours are 20. Okay. Now the next step, do the subtraction. 0 minus 0 is 0. And 2 minus 2 is 0. So here you will write 20 divided by 5 equal to 4. Each friend will get how many chocolates? 4 chocolates. You just do the division. 20 divided by 5 in your notebook. I have explained you, read out the word problem. So you only do the division method. Okay, children? Finished? Now, solve these word problems. It is in your book only. Question A. In a flower shop, there are 56 bouquets of flowers. If 7 people buy all the bouquets and distribute them equally, how many bouquets will each get? Now, how many bouquets of flowers are there? 56. And how many people bought? 7 people bought all the bouquets and they want to distribute them equally. So, what you have to find out? How many bouquets will each get? So, 56 divided by 7. Write 56 here and then 7. Say the tables of 7. 7 ones are 7. 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 35, 7 six are 42, 7 sevens are 49, 7 eights are 56. Now do the subtraction. 6 minus 6, 0. 5 minus 5 is 0. So 56 divided by 7 equal to, write 8 here. Each person will get 8 bouquets. Do it. Finished? Question B. There were 50 sandwiches at a birthday party. 10 children shared them equally. How many did each child get? Yes, try yourself. See, there were how many sandwiches? 50 sandwiches. Okay. And 10 children shared them equally. How many did each child get? Try to do yourself. Yes, write 50. Then 10 outside the bracket. And you know the tables of 10. 10 fives are 50. 0 minus 0 is 0. 5 minus 5 is 0. So, what you will write here? 50 divided by 10 equal to 5. Each child got how many sandwiches? 5 sandwiches. Now, check your answer. Write it down. Finished? Question C. Shrutika has 72 stamps. She wants to paste equal number of stamps on each page of her album. There are 9 pages in her album. How many stamps can she paste on each page? Now, how many stamps Shrutika is having? 72. And there are how many pages in her album? 9 pages in her album. So what you have to find out? How many stamps can she paste on each page? So 72 divided by 9. Write 72. It is the dividend. 9 is the divisor. And what you have to find out? Quotient. Say the tables of 9. 9 ones are 9. 9 twos are 18. 9 threes are 27. 9 fours are 36. 9 fives are 45. 9 sixes are 54. 9 sevens are 63. 9 eights are 72. Now do the subtraction. 0, 0. Then what you will write here? 72 divided by 9 equal to 8. She can paste how many stamps on each page? 8 stamps on each page. Correct? You are also getting the same answer. Okay? Then we will move to the next page. Question D. In a cricket match, 6 players made equal runs. If the total runs made by them were 48, how many runs did each player make? Now, how many players are there? 6 players. And the total runs made by them were 48. So, what you have to find out? How many runs did each player make? So, 48 divided by 6. Write 48 divided by 6. Say the tables of 6. 6 ones are 6. 6 twos are 12. 6 threes are 18. 6 fours are 24. 6 fives are 30. 6 six are 36. 6 sevens are 42. 6 eights are 48. Now do the subtraction. 8 minus 8, 0. 4 minus 4, 0. Now 48 divided by 6 equal to 8. So each player made how many runs? 8 runs. Okay, children? Finished? Okay. Done? Now question E. Kinjal's mother bought 25 mangoes. She distributed them equally among 5 members of the family. How many did each member get? Now, how many mangoes did Kinjal's mother bought? 25 mangoes. Then she distributed them equally among how many members of the family? 5 members of the family. What you have to find out? How many did each member get? So 25 divided by 5. Yes, try yourself. 25. Then write 5 here. And I hope you all know the tables of 5. So 5. What I will write? What should I write? 5 5s are 25. Do the subtraction. 0 you are getting. 5 minus 5 and 2 minus 2, 0. So 25 divided by 5 equal to 5. So each member got how many mangoes? 5 mangoes. You all are getting correct answer? Slowly write it down. Finished? All the word problems, all these word problems are in your book. Okay? So, do in your maths book only. Question F. Rahul has 18 samosas. He wants to distribute them equally among 6 friends. How many samosas will each friend get? I hope you all can do this yourself. Try. So how many samosas Rahul is having? Say 18 samosas. He wants to distribute them equally among how many of his friends? 6 friends. Now what you have to find out? How many samosas will each friend get? So do it. 18 divided by 6. 6 threes are 18. Do the subtraction. Yes, 8 minus 8, 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. Now write here 3. 18 divided by 6. Now each friend will get how many samosas? 3 samosas. Each friend will get 3 samosas. Okay. So children, you have understood how you will do the word problems in division. So learn the tables, then it will be helpful for you to do the division. Okay? Finished? Now, homework. Question A. Shreya's father bought 36 bananas. He distributed them equally among 9 family members. How many did each member get? So you can do it. 36 divided by 9 and do the division. Question B. Manav has 18 flowers and 3 vases. How many equal number of flowers can be put in each vase? 18 divided by 3. Okay, do the division. Write the quotient properly. Do the subtraction. Learn the tables. Okay, children. So, our division chapter has been completed. Okay. Thank you, children. Bye.